Was not seeing the market cleanly at all today. I mean, it's just one of those days. It's so funny. Yesterday, seeing it amazing, right? Some of the best trading I've had was yesterday's trading. I feel like, I mean, anytime I'm no drawdown trading and it's just instant fills, it's amazing. Today, complete opposite. Both trades I took almost never in the money, 4 points in the money or something, and then just slapped. So down almost $8,000 today. Basically gave back all of yesterday's good trading, which is just such a bummer. I'm up like 300 bucks between the two of them or something, and just is the way it happens sometimes. The number one thing for me is to realize when it's happening. Normally I have a 3 strikes I'm out rule. Today it was a 2 strikes I'm out because I just was able to identify this ain't it for me today. I'm not seeing it cleanly, and I want to protect my capital and my my accounts. So on to the next. You know, Monday and next week is a brand new week. Let's go and dive into today's trading recap from the live stream, which happens every day, Monday through Friday on my main channel, Trades by Matt. So make sure you subscribe and go hang out in the streams. Let's get into it. Yo, good morning. How we doing? Welcome to the stream. Happy Friday. I'll be honest, guys. I put my Fun Shirt Friday shirt on. Fun Shirt Friday shirt. Yep. And then I threw my hat on and I realized I kind of look like I'm on a safari. But that's okay. Safari Friday. Second thing to note, holy mother trucking everything, man. I cannot focus on trading today. My ears and my eyes are pinned on the Scotty Scheffler drama. Just straight up. PGA Championships, Scotty Scheffler arrested. Wow. Other golfers were able to allegedly drive through into the golf course. Scotty gets pulled over. Some major conspiracies going on about, you know, Roy McIlroy paying off the cop to arrest him. Obviously, it's not true, but I mean, talk about a story. A lot of good memes going around. A lot of good memes on Twitter, Discord. He's got his mugshot floating around now. A lot of memes with Tiger and Scotty. A lot of craziness, man. So his new tee time's like 10 o'clock. For those of you that don't care about golf, sorry. This is like massive, massive drama. He's the world #1 golfer. Projected to win his last 6 events. He's won, tied, or second place, won, and now he's in prison. He made his tee time. He's at the course. Oh my god, I didn't even know. Oh, wow. Wow. Friday vibes. Okay, this is where we stand. We got a little slap off 800, I guess, just shy of 800, I believe. Yep, 760s. Slapped off it. Little hammer at the top. We hit all-time highs. We're coming back inside. Nice little flush and bounce into VWAP, coming into yesterday's initial balance low. I also made a command for initial balance, exclamation point IB. So for people in that chat, when they come in and start asking what I talk about when I say IB, you can do exclamation point IB and tag them. Yeah, the Friday orange memes are also amazing. Tiger obviously has Sunday red, and they're talking about a Friday orange clothing line for Scotty. So good. Anyways, news wise on the day, we've got nothing. Markets are really setting us up for the Scotty Scheffler drama. I have my brackets order up. I submitted my payout request yesterday. It's under review right now. All of my balances are still the same, obviously, while it's under review. I still have my brackets firing away here. 25, 10. And yeah, we'll figure out what happens. The dad joke of the day, May 17th, Friday. What do you call an ant that has been shunned by his community? A socially dissed ant. I'll be honest, that one is that's the meme, the joke goes over your head. That's me. I don't understand it in a single bit. Zero part of me understands that joke, and just a terrible way to have a dad joke on a Friday, but that's okay. Socially distant, but why does it say a dissed ant? Oh, dissed ant. That's so stupid. I hate that. Anyways, press the thumbs up button if you're excited that Scotty got pinched, or if you're excited that Scheffler is actually playing the tournament. Also, don't forget to press the thumbs up if you hate golf and you're just excited to watch the market. Let's get lit. 420 thumbs up. Well, guys, I'm feeling pretty good about the Spartan race tomorrow. Julia was giving me a lot of shit about it yesterday, my wife, saying that I should have been training more. And I like the approach that I'm taking of no training. I haven't worked out all week, really in like a week and a half. Haven't run, and I feel like my body's very rested. You know what I mean? How long is the race? It's 6 miles and 30 obstacles. Yeah, taper week, exactly. I tapered from nothing. Also, I haven't run at all, but tapering, exactly right. I've been tapering my whole life. Great comment. Ah, dude. Yeah, Wickville into point control. I mean, a point control retest is definitely possible here. It's just, it's pretty gross. Gross price action so far for sure. Nothing that I'm interested in yet. At this point, I'm thinking that IB might be the play. Just wait for IB. All right, pushing IB. This is good. Retest at 67 potentially after value area low. I mean, we ended up getting very close to that value area high test. It's just hard to, yeah, this is we're getting into that tough spot where it's like, are we gonna slow grind it? We got yesterday's point of control and overnight high targets up above at 690, which both look pretty good. We still have really good buying going on. I'm gonna put an order at IB and just see what happens, but I mean, really, it's gonna be more like this. I'm really not interested in a sweep of the prior lows. I'm gonna have to get filled first. Feels like one of those days are just never gonna get filled. Yeah, dude. I am kind of feeling that. I think I actually am about to get filled, but knock on wood. Shouldn't have said that. I feel like every time I say that, I never get filled. But it definitely feels like a chasey kind of sort of day so far. Like the retest into IB and then a push, honestly, push up into like overnight highs would probably be pretty good. But we're on a 40-point move with no pullbacks, and on a day where our range is pretty tight, it's kind of a lot. All right, I'm in. Yo, Fast Fan, welcome to the team. Appreciate your support. I'm very tempted to pull this up a little bit into the overnight highs, but I'm going to look at like 15-ish points here, and if I don't get the fill, then I will kill the trade with how we react at the highs. Kind of stalling out a little bit. I still don't like a break of the prior low. I think that we might rotate 54 and VWAP if we do break it, but I just am not interested in a sweep of it. I'm out. $200. Bummer, but whatever. Getting a little reaction. I wouldn't be shocked to see us trade 50s. It's gonna be down like $4,000. $4,279. 10 points across the board there. That trade was basically not really ever super right. I think I got like 3 points in the money. I got 4 points in the money. I would never take that off at 4 points, unless it was really, really gross, and it never was super gross. So maybe I just got bottom ticked. It's possible, but I think the rotation into this is just as likely. So kill it and move on to the next. My stop loss sucks. No, I put it there. I would have killed the trade there if I did. Here's the thing, guys. Every trade should have a point of invalidation, right? Where you think, I no longer want to be in this trade. Every trade should have that. You should have that basically the second that you enter a trade. You should have the, I don't want to be in this trade anymore past this point. I don't think it's a good thing for me to be in this trade, right? For me, that was on a break of the prior low. Whether or not I had a physical stop loss on the screen, I'm killing that trade on a break of the prior low because I do not think that it is a good thing to hold it past the break of the prior low. I've seen it too many times. When we break the prior low, we flush, right? It's not a stop loss issue. It's not a physical stop loss issue. If you had a stop loss on your screen, therefore you lost a trade. No, that trade went to a point where I thought it was invalidated and I got out, and it's on to the next. That was the exact same trade that I've taken tons of times on stream and made money tons of times, right? I'll take that trade again if it pops up. We're all gonna lose. You're all gonna lose a trade. It's inevitable for you to not lose a trade. And if you think that you're just gonna let trades wiggle out and not have a stop and do whatever you need to do and not have a point of invalidation and average into them forever and ever and ever, it might work until it doesn't, right? I mean, that's very close to 54. Coming into the 53 VWAP area. We just don't really have that many sellers here, to be honest. Fine with another shot at it. $42 will be interesting when we get down there. Four points both times. 5 points that time. 4 points. I'm calling it there, boys. It ain't it for me. 4 points in the money both trades. Not it. Yesterday, one with the market. Today, not one with the market. I don't even need 3 strikes. I'm out. It's 2 for me. I'm done. Just not it. Just trading in a nutshell, man. I mean, yesterday, literally some of the best trading I feel like I've had in a long time was yesterday. And then today, you followed up. Just not it. Not seeing it clearly. On to the next. It's Friday. I'm going to go watch golf. Might even go play some golf. I'm out of here.